Welcome to Rammer Hammer Training. In this video, we will walk you through proper maintenance and visual inspections of a Rammer hammer. This video should be used in conjunction with the Rammer service manual provided with the hammer. These manuals can also be downloaded at rammer.com. If you need assistance or have any technical questions, please contact your local dealer. Certain maintenance and visual inspections should be performed after specific times have elapsed on the carrier while the hammer is installed. Every 2 hours you should verify the tool is sufficiently greased. Manually grease the hammer or check that the automatic grease cartridge is not empty. To increase or decrease the amount of grease applied by the automatic grease cartridge, use the upper and lower adjusting screws. These may be turned up to 7 rotations to increase or decrease the amount applied. Observe hydraulic oil temperature. Make sure all lines and connections are secure and verify impact efficiency and evenness of operation. Every 10 hours or at least once a week, remove the tool retaining pin and the tool to check their condition. Grind any burrs away if necessary. Check the mounting hardware on the hammer and carrier and tighten if necessary. Every 50 hours, or at least once a month, check the tool shank and bushings for wear. If the grease grooves on the tool bushing are worn, the bushing must be replaced. Check the hydraulic hoses and replace if necessary. Check that the hammer moves normally inside the housing and that vibration dampening elements such as pads and buffers are in good condition. Check the condition of the wear pads. Verify no significant housing wear. If your hammer is equipped with an RD3 remote monitoring system, this system will need verified and possibly rebuilt every 800 hours of operation, depending on use. When removing and storing the hammer when not in use, please do the following to protect the hammer. Please remove the tool. The hammer must be stored in a vertical position. Protect the lower end of the piston, tool, and tool bushings with grease. Connections must be sealed with clean plugs to prevent oil leakage and dirt from getting into the couplings. Make sure the product cannot fall. Your local dealer is available if you need assistance or have any technical questions.